Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my Friday reset routine. So that includes like cleaning up my room, I'm going to be doing some laundry, I'm also going to be deep cleaning my entire room and my bathroom, and I'm also going to be preparing for the next week. Let's actually jump on to my computer and start planning on what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, so we're here on my Notion, and I'm going to start kind of making a list of things I need to get done. So we're gonna go and be clean first. Wash and put away laundry. It'll all be in the be cleaned category. Wash and put away dishes. Okay, so I'm gonna make the list really quick and I'll come right back. Hey guys, so I'm going to start now by over here. I'm going to do my laundry now. I'm actually going to separate the clothes here. Sort the laundry here, and then we can go into my closet and do the laundry. So I also have like stuff like this is my reusable cotton rounds, and then I have these wrist things that I like to use when I'm washing my face, so I'm going to wash these as well. And while I'm at it, I would also, I did recently use this, so I'm going to also wash my Beauty Blender powder puff thing. Okay, so I have one load of wash going in right now. So let's start picking up my room. I think that's what we should do now. Alright, so I picked up around my room. I think it's good right now. Let's do some dishes because the dishes are licking. I have a lot of dishes to do. Okay, so I'm gonna check off stuff now. So, let's see, what did we do? Washed and put away dishes. We didn't do that. We're still washing laundry. Haven't done bedding yet. Okay, now I don't know what we could do. So I wasn't going to do this, but I am. Now I'm going to vacuum the floors. Okay, so I just finished some vacuuming, and now I'm going to, I don't have a mop, so I'm actually going to just hand mop, kind of. I'm using some Clorox wipes to do that. I ended up getting, well, I woke up with a headache this morning, and I couldn't finish what I needed to get finished. So some things I'm going to be doing next Friday, because I needed to rest, because it was really bad. After I did my wipe down all my floors, I just needed to rest. So like there's a few things on my list that I didn't get done, like washing the bedding, wiping down the mirror, scrubbing the toilet, and scrubbing down the bathtub. So we're not going to get to do that today, but I want to prepare for the next week. So let's go to week here on my Notion planner. So these two things here I can actually keep because these are in the to buy list, so I can keep them. Let's see, what do I need to get done this week? This is basically my task brain dump where I can just jot down things that I need to do for this upcoming week. So I'm actually going to go to this next week here on this week ahead. So I'm going to just put in a work template, personal template, a home template, and the cleaning template just to start, and then we can do it from there. Right now, I'm not technically doing YouTube is not really work, but I call it my work, so I'm going to keep it there. So let's see, we have this page July 30th. I want to do another work press because I actually want to do a short on Wednesday. Oh, no. Okay, never mind. I just like to go bottom to top. So now let's go to personal. That one can be 29th. I like to do it in different steps. So this will be we're going to do date, then the priority, then the focus, then the time commitment, and then if I need to write any notes, or I like to write down what the task is in notes. So for home, let's do the 31st because that's when I want to get things done that I didn't get done on Friday. Then cleaning cleaning will also be that day, but I'm actually going to shift it to August 1st. And now we're going to go to priority. So this is high, first task can be medium, and this can also high. Focus, this is actually pretty deep work, and then this can also be work. Okay, for the time commitment, I like to spend cleaning around 15 to 30 minutes. That's going to there, and then personal, 15 to 30, and then work can be 30 to 60. So we can sort it, so we can go in top priorities. So let's actually put them into week. What did we say for, okay, let's put on Monday for the work task. We can put it on Tuesday. Oh no, so this is the Sunday. That is done. Let's go to daily planning page. Let's go to the life code. Okay, we can see here that we have all of the tasks that we need to do in the next 7 days, and then we have these that are that have no dates on them because I want to, these are what I need to buy. I have that there. I have my roll that I can do later tonight. And we are good to go. Okay, so that was my Friday reset. Like I said earlier, there are some things that I didn't get done today because I had a headache, so I will probably be doing them in the next few days. That I didn't get done today. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!